Most people think travel gets expensive because of flights, hotels, and cruises. But that's not exactly what's happening. In 2026, the real reason that trips quietly turned from a $200 to a $600 overspending disaster is because most travelers are missing the same small travel essentials that secretly control how much money gets spent the second you leave your house. And honestly, the first few items in this video are the difference between a smooth travel day and a complete airport meltdown. You guys can stop paying those avoidable mistakes over and over again. If you've ever landed in an airport and immediately have to buy a charger you already own, overpriced headphones, sunscreen at resort pricing, or a replacement bag because all of yours completely failed during the trip, then you guys already understand the complete problem with travel. Travel is not expensive because of the destination. Travel is expensive because of the actual missing systems that trigger those emergency purchases, and those airports completely capitalize on it. So today we're going to be breaking down the best travel essentials in 2026 for airports, cruises, beach vacations, road trips, international travel, as well as carry-on only travelers. And these are not just the random Amazon influencer gadgets. These are going to be actually useful, searched, trending, and genuinely practical travel examples. And these essentials are actually used by people right now to save money and be a smarter traveler. And later in this video, we're also going to be showing you guys an underrated waterproof travel safety item that we always use and completely change how we end up handling our beach trips, our wet clothes, our sunset walks, as well as carrying our valuables right near the beach without stressing out the entire time. And quick question before we jump in, guys. What's the most expensive thing you guys have ever had to rebuy on vacation because you forgot it? Drop it in the comments below because those stories are always painful and we'd love to hear it. And if you're new here, subscribe to the Castaway Travelers, where we break down the real travel systems that actually save you money and make things more affordable. Moving on to essential number 1. This is probably the biggest travel upgrade you guys can make in 2026. This essential item is going to be a lightweight carry-on travel backpack that's designed completely to replace those checked luggage for most of your trips. And our recommended options is going to be the Nomadic Navigator backpack, which goes for about $180 on Amazon. It's linked down in the description below, but it's definitely worth the price. Or our secondary option we recommend is going to be the Tortuga Travel Backpack Lite, which is a little bit more expensive, around $250, and sometimes these companies end up offering different deals and discounts. So definitely check these links out below. So now let's talk about why this matters. This setup actually helps eliminate checked bag fees, avoid the luggage claim delays, reduce lost luggage risk, improve your airport mobility, as well as make cruise and city travel dramatically easier. And honestly, once we switched over to a one-bag setup, dragging giant rolling luggage through the airport starts feeling completely unnecessary. You guys don't need 17 pairs of socks for a 3-day trip. This is going to streamline that and make it a lot easier for you. So jumping into a real travel insight. Most travelers are packing imaginary emergencies that actually never end up happening while carrying around 20 extra pounds the entire trip. And we're not talking about the food you guys ate, we're talking about your luggage and carry-ons. This one simple backpack switch can completely eliminate the check bag fees on almost every single short trip. And we definitely recommend this for quick 2 to 4 day trips. Essential number 2 is going to be a go-to for us. This is the all-in-one Apple charging system. So this is actually one of the most searched travel essentials in 2026. This is going to be a 3-in-1 Apple charging station for iPhone, Apple Watch, as well as AirPods. You guys are going to be a little SOL on this one, Samsung users. So our recommended option for this is going to be the Anker MagGo 3-in-1 charger, which runs from about $50 to $90 depending on where you're buying it from, but you can mostly get all these items on Amazon that we're listing here in the video today. And why this matters is that your setup is going to completely replace multiple chargers instantly, reduce the cable clutter, saves the outlet space in the hotels and the cruises, eliminates those emergency airport purchases, as well as keeps your travel tech nice, neat, and organized. Airports have completely committed to the forgot your charger pricing model, where somehow a basic cable now costs the same as an actual monthly utility bill. So this one charger actually ends up replacing your entire Apple setup while you guys travel. So make sure you throw this in your go bag. Essential number 3 is going to be a high capacity power bank. And this might honestly be one of the most important airport survival things in this video. This is essential because it's a high capacity portable power bank with fast charging as well as a USB-C support. We have 2 different kinds that we utilize. We have ones that are charged up before we go, and we have other ones that are solar powered also. So if you guys are headed over to the beach, headed over to the sunshine, get the solar powered one. Our recommendation is going to be going for the Anker Prime Power Bank, which usually runs on Amazon for around $90 to $150, but you can find a lot of other brands that'll be cheaper than this. And this is important for you guys because the airports are completely overloaded. Flights still barely have usable outlets, and if your phone dies during the trip, it now affects your boarding passes, your hotel check-ins, the maps, the transportations, communication, cruise documents, as well as telling your mom you made it to the island. We actually ended up learning this during a delayed airport connection the hard way. Our phones were nearly dead, the flight had no working outlets, and there were 0 charging stations available in the terminal. And once we landed, we basically had no cell service whatsoever. and suddenly we had no access to directions, couldn't contact anyone, couldn't pull up reservations, couldn't get an Uber or any other transportation. And that was the moment that we realized that a dead phone during your travel is no longer a small inconvenience. It can completely derail the entire rest of the trip. So now we never travel without a fully charged power bank. A dead phone in 2026 can completely collapse your travel day, and this power bank will help you avoid that. Essential number 4 is going to be a TSA Zero Friction Go Kit. You guys can organize and put this together yourself. This is basically just going to be a permanently packed TSA approved toiletry bag. In our travel go bag, we always have toothpaste, deodorant, sunscreen, skincare basics, wipes. We even have a travel toothbrush that we also use that's different from the one at home. The good thing about this is this completely eliminates the airport convenience pricing, the hotel gift shop emergencies, the forgotten essentials, as well as the unnecessary travel stress. And nothing's going to end up humbling you guys faster than standing in an airport at 6 a.m. trying to convince yourself that travel-sized toothpaste is somehow worth 19 bucks now. So a hidden gem that we have is going to be utilizing Apple AirTags. Use this as your luggage tracking system. This should honestly be mandatory for the modern traveler. The essential here is going to be AirTags for your luggage, your backpacks, and your travel gear. And the recommended ones, you guys can get 4 packs for the Apple AirTags right on Amazon. They're typically $80 to $100, and they're definitely worth the price. This is extremely significant because it completely helps you guys track your checked bags instantly, locate delayed luggage faster, reduce the airport luggage anxiety, as well as monitor backpacks during your travel, because sometimes luggage tracking inside those airport apps is completely unreliable. So airlines losing luggage becomes dramatically less stressful when you guys can literally see where your bag is at all times. This tiny tracker itself can literally save an entire vacation, and it's especially good to have if you guys are heading to other countries where you're not familiar with the areas. Essential number 6 is going to be the beach cost elimination kit. These are going to be your essentials. You know the deal. This is going to be your UV umbrella if you're bringing one, insulated water bottle, reef safe sunscreen, everything of the sort. If you forget these, you end up buying them at the local gift shop every single time. This actually just happened to us on our last Clearwater trip. We didn't have these items, so we had to stop at the local market and grab a towel, grab some sunscreen, and grab everything that we normally wouldn't have to pay for. And bringing these items such as a beach umbrella, insulated water bottle, reef safe sunscreen, or a beach towel completely makes the rest of your day go smoother. This is going to completely prevent the overpriced beach rentals, the expensive water bottle purchases, as well as those tourist shop markups. And beach towns completely rely on travelers, and most recently us, for getting these items. So essential number 7 is going to be the cruise power expansion system. What the heck does that mean? The essential here is going to be a cruise safe USB charging hub. And this matters because cruise cabins typically have barely enough outlets, limited charging access, as well as multiple devices competing for power at the same time. So cruise cabins don't have enough outlets in 2026, but this is a way to solve that. Links in the description below. Essential number 8 is going to be a packable day bag system. This is going to be foldable, ultralight day bag. You guys can bring this everywhere. It's going to be convenient, lightweight, easy to carry. And this matters because it helps you avoid those overpriced resort bags, improve the excursion mobility, organize beach and cruise essentials easily, and if you guys are doing some tour shopping, you can throw them in that bag as well. Moving on to essential number 9, that's going to be compression packing cubes. Compartmentalizing your bag is going to make things so much easier when you're getting through the airports, as well as keeping things organized, clean, and knowing where it all is inside your hotel. We recommend the BagSmart compression packing cubes, which usually go for about $20 to $35, and there's a bunch of different brands similar to BagSmart that also offer these products right on Amazon. Links in the description below for our recommendation. And these are going to completely reduce the luggage volume dramatically, improve organization, help you guys avoid the overweight baggage fees, as well as increase carry-on only capabilities. And now let's jump into our favorite part of this entire video, and that's going to be hidden gem number 2, which is going to be the waterproof locking beach backpack. This is a complete game changer, guys. This changed how we handle our beach days, our cruises, our sunset walks right near the water. The essential here is a waterproof locking beach backpack with water-sealed storage compartments. The approximate pricing is about $25 to $40 for the lesser brands, or if it's more of a name brand, it could run you $40 to $80 depending on the size as well as the waterproof rating. This is going to be completely perfect for holding your phones if you guys are jumping in the water, protecting your wallet as well as your valuables, carrying your wet clothes after the beach, enjoying those beach walks and leaving your stuff behind, paddleboarding, boat excursions, as well as sunset walks right by the ocean. This will help protect your stuff. And if you guys also want an added layer of security to this locking backpack, we suggest throwing in one of those Apple AirTags right into the bag and keeping your phone with you for your beach walk so you guys can know exactly where it is at all times. And one of our real travel insights is that one of the worst feelings during your beach trips is constantly looking back over our shoulder at our stuff, wondering if it's even still there. This completely removes that stress. So nothing ruins a relaxing beach day faster than trying to casually enjoy the ocean while mentally tracking your backpack like it's your stock portfolio. If this video is actually helping you guys rethink how you're going to travel in 2026, hit the like button, because these are the kinds of small upgrades that quietly save hundreds of dollars over time. So for a final recap of these travel essentials, this is the reality about travel in 2026. Most people are not overspending because of the flights and the destinations anymore. They're overspending because of small essentials that trigger expensive last-minute decisions over and over again. So in this video, we covered carry-on backpack systems, Apple charging setups, power banks and airport survival tools, AirTags and luggage tracking, waterproof locking beach backpacks, cruise and beach travel essentials, and hidden travel gems that most people never think about until it's way too late. So if you guys use even 3 of these systems, you guys can realistically save hundreds of dollars per trip and per year while making travel dramatically smoother. So if this helped, subscribe to the Castaway Travelers and hit like below, because we don't just show you guys destinations. We show how to travel smarter, cheaper, as well as more efficiently every single trip. So final question for you guys, which travel essential can you absolutely never travel with now? Drop it in the comments below. We'll see you in the next destination. Thanks for watching. Keep traveling.